interactive flat panel where we have a 65 inches interactive flat panel. It comes with Android as well as Windows operating system, dual operating system. In Android, we have Android 11, 4 GB RAM and 32 GB of built-in memory. And for Windows, we have IFPD processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. So once you switch on the panel, you will be getting the Android screen. From here, we can just in short keys we can find out all the options for Android applications are installed. This panel comes with a Play Store option also. So here from Play Store we can download all the applications and we can install it in the panel and we can use it. And at any time I can give home button and it will be on the home screen. Now if I want to switch over to the Windows mode, there is a settings option where I have different input options like PC, HDMI 1, 2 and 3 are available, Type C is available and VGA options are also available. And we have a volume control and we have a brightness control also. Now I want to go to the PC mode, just one click I can switch over to the PC mode also. Now this is in the PC mode. Now this panel comes with a built-in PC. So I have just within a few seconds I can switch over to the Windows mode. Now I can control my Windows operating system also here. Right. And same way I can go back to my Android mode also. Just one click I can go to the Android mode. Same way we have different input options like we have HDMI inputs and the USB option, where in HDMI input I can connect my laptops to the panel and I can control my laptop from this display itself. And we have a USB option also. I can use my thumb drive. I can use my thumb drive with any content. I can just insert my thumb drive on the front port and I can access my PDF files, PPT files and video files also. So I will brief about the product. As per the hardware, this comes with a 4K display. It has a toughened glass. It has a toughened glass, so it is hard to break. And it also comes with speakers, built-in speakers, and other input options like HDMI input, VGA option, and C-type. And LAN connectivity is also there. And we have Wi-Fi model also connected with this panel. So if I want to take classes, I can just come and I can switch on the panel. I can immediately start with the whiteboard software. This whiteboard software, I have all the tools here. I can just select my pen tool. Pen tool, we have different types of pen modes. I can select the pen modes. I can choose the width of the pen and I can start using it. Like this, I can write. Not only with my finger, I have a stylus also. We have a stylus, two stylus provided for the panel. With the help of the stylus also, I can write. Again, I can select. When I use my stylus, I can choose a dual color option. So one color I can fix it in a red. Just I can write it on one side. If I turn on the pen stylus, I can get one more color also. Like we have a dual color option. Now same way, after writing, I can erase with my multiple fingers. Just I can bring my multiple fingers together, or I can choose my eraser here and I can erase it. Just like this. And anytime I can go for the undo and redo option. Just one click. Undo and redo option is also possible. And after I want to clean all, I want to reset the page, there is a clean all option, just one click, I can reset the page. To bring back again, I can do the undo option. And there is one more option called preview, so that I can scroll up also. I can scroll up the content and I can start writing. I can continue the same page itself, just by clicking, and I can use the same page. So whenever I want to bring down, I can just scroll down also. Not only scroll down or up, I can also bring it to the move to the left or right, anywhere. So this is an option, and there is one more option called add page, where I can just one click, I can go to the next page. Now I am on the second page. Like this, I can keep on adding my pages. So there are like all the pages can be displayed here. You can see it, and whichever page I want, I can directly switch over to the page. Okay, like this. Now I have further tools like I have a ruler. Just I can bring the ruler here. If I want to draw a straight line, I can draw a straight line. I want to draw a parallel line, I can draw a parallel line also. Next, I want to bring some shape tools. I can click on the shape tools, where we have a 2D and 3D shapes. Where in 2D shapes, I can select the shape which I require and I can drag it on the screen. And if I want some triangle, I can choose the color also and I can drag it on the screen like this. Now one more option we have in shape tools, where we have a 3D also, where 3D shapes are available. I can drag the 3D shapes according to the size. I can drag it and I can place it here. Now in 2D itself there is a shape recognizer, where when I click the shape recognizer, whatever the shape I am going to draw, it will automatically give it as an actual shape. Like this is a shape recognizer. And same way, we have in pen tool, we have different types of pen modes, where we have brush modes, we have paint mode, and we have one more tool called intelligent pen, where I can select my intelligent pen. Now this intelligent pen, it will recognize my image files. Like suppose I want to draw some images, rough images. I can bring my like a tree. This is an image I want. I can green. Now I have selected a green mode. Now if I want to change the background color, I can go to the menu option, and there is a themes. When I click the themes, there are templates. I can, if I want some lines on the whiteboard, just I can bring the lines. Different templates are given. We can place it at the background. Now I want to have a background color like whether it will be a white or black. I can go with any color. And further, I can also add my own color also. Like background image, I can download a 4K resolution image and I can add it at my background. And all the classes, now I have taken 7 pages, and all the 7 pages can be saved as a file. Now I can go and I can select save, and it will be saved in a panel. Panel comes with a 10 GB of built-in memory. If I want to save it in my pen drive, when I connect my thumb drive will be deleted, and I can save it in my thumb drive also. Now I have inserted my pen drive. Now it is showing the pen drive option is also available here. I can save it. If I want to save it in my pen drive, I can directly save it in my pen drive also. Whichever mode I want, I can select it. And further, I can also, there is an import and export option. Further, I want to import any image file or PDF file, I can import from a thumb drive. Or if I want to export the classes, all the pages to a PDF or image file, I can select the PDF file and I can convert this into a PDF file also. Just I can select the name and all the pages will be exported to a PDF file. Now a PDF file is there, I can just open that PDF file. Here I have installed WPS Office. From there I can just show my PDF content. And all the pages are converted to a PDF now. Now I can exit from the PDF. And now I can again go back to my whiteboard screen. Here we have further tools like tables. I can just select the tables in whichever matrix format I want. I can select it. Now I want to just write. I can write on the cell. Accordingly to my writing, the cells will be adjusted. Okay. If I want to increase the size, just I can increase and decrease the size of this table. And if I want to add in between any columns, I can add it. Or rows, I want to add it. I can add that one. That is also possible. And we have a mind mapping tool where we have to the mind map. Suppose I want to just select and I want to add some mind mapping tool. That also possible. I can do it. And we have sticky notes. Important things I want to save it in between. I can just select and I can fill the color and I can save. And after that later on, if I want to come back to the point after completing my class, I can discuss about the topic also. Now we have a cloud storage also. We have a cloud storage option. Just one click. We can either go with the Google Drive or OneDrive. Either we can with the Gmail account, we can add our account, and we can save it in our cloud also. Now all the classes will be in the cloud. So wherever we go, we can download the file and we can use it. This cloud storage option is also available. And send email option. We can also directly send email to the people whoever needs the content. We can just upload the mail ID and we can insert it. And there is one last option for saving as a QR code also. Just when we connect with the internet, so it will generate as a QR code. This QR code can be scanned from any device, and once they are scanned, all the complete 10 pages will be in their device. Now you can see the QR code is generated. Once you scan the QR code, all the nodes will be in the device, mobile device. I will just show that also. Now you can see once we scan the QR code, all the nodes will be in the device. So whoever comes, they can scan it and they can save it in their own device also. And these are some few options about the whiteboard software, and there is a split screen option also. Suppose I want to split this into two applications, like there is a split screen option. Just one click, I can split one side as a whiteboard software, and other side I want to have a whiteboard like a browser kind of thing. I can go with the browser also. Now I have opened whiteboard software at my left and a browser at my right. So I can also switch like this. Now I have a browser. I can come back on this. If I want to answer some information over the internet, I can just I can use the Wikipedia. And if I want to switch over this application, just one click, I can switch over the application also. There I can use my whiteboard software. Now I have a browser here. It can be any files, like a PDF also we can put it at one side, and here we can go with the tracking part. Like I can explain at my whiteboard software. Okay, both the ways it is possible.
Image.
And if I want to bring any images from my browser to the note software, that is also possible. Like I can go with the image file. Once it is loaded, now this is the image I required. Just I can long press it, and there is a option for new tab. Okay. Otherwise, we can do it. That is when you long press it, there is an option for import to note. When you just click on import to note, this image file will be on your whiteboard software. Now I can increase the size of this file. Further, I want to have some discussion. I can use my tools to explain about this file, and I can use other tools also. Like I can also scroll up and scroll down, left and right. I can do it. Immediately, instantly, I can go to the browser. I can bring any content to my. Now we are at our Android home screen. In Android home screen, we have whiteboard software. We can open the whiteboard software at any time, and we can make use of the tools, all the tools. And further, we have we can click anytime home screen, and we have Finder. We have a browser. Like a Finder, I have inserted my pen drive here. Now I can go to the Finder option. Now I can access my local storage also. Like it can be a video file or a PPT file or PDF file. I can access from here. Now further, I can just click the home screen, and I have browser option. Just I can click the browser. From my browser, I can go to the any website and I can take my information there. If I want to crop it, I can use my from shortkeys. We have a crop tool. We can crop it. Or if we want to do the annotation, we have a mark tool here. Just all the tools are available from the mouse option, and we can take it from here. And crop option is also. And in this panel, it comes with Android 11 with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB of built-in memory. So we have a Play Store option. Built-in Play Store is available. From my Play Store, I can download any application. Whichever to my subject, I can download the application and I can use it in the panel. Now, presently, I have downloaded 2 applications like YouTube. I have installed, and I have a WBS Office also. And some preloaded application is also already installed. Now I can open a YouTube application. From my YouTube, I can directly play some video content, and I can run it. Just I can go and type whichever content related. I can just play some. This panel comes as a 4K, so I can run a 4K video here. Now I have a 4K video content. And volume sound, you can set the sound of the panel. This comes with a built-in speaker, so the sound quality is really very good. So I want to increase. I have given it 50% of sound. I want to increase it further. I can increase it. Anytime I can pause it, and I want to annotate over this YouTube file. I can do the annotation also. Suppose I want to take some snapshot. I can go same. I already said the crop option and mark tool and recording option is also there. Spot it also I can use it. If I want to do the annotation, I can use the mark tool. Just I can click the mark tool. I will get the mark function here. Like just I can keep it down. And now I want to just annotate over a video. I can do that. Just, I can choose different color options, and I can annotate over a YouTube application also, and I can close this. Now I can just click on my home screen. Now again, you can find in shortkeys we have a home button, we have a back button, and we have a backstage option closing. I have opened all the applications. Now I want to close it. Just one click, clean all the application will be closed. And I have whiteboard software here. I have Finder, and in applications I have all the preloaded applications. and YouTube and other options also. And we have shortkeys. The same shortkeys is available this side also, both the side of the panel. So you can make use of this both the side. And we have one more option called which is casting. Like we can connect our mobile device wirelessly to the panel, where we have a screen share. Just we can open the screen share. Once we open the screen share, with the help of the QR code or there is a code, I can just scan it. Once I scan my device get connected. Once my device is connected, I can use all the options. Like suppose I want to completely mirror my device, I can just put it on a mirroring, and my mobile device can able to see my mobile device. Just like this. Instantly, because we are using a modem Wi-Fi modem here, I can stop at any time. And if I want to share only a particular video or a particular image files or documents, I can share that also instead of completely showing my mobile phone. Like suppose I want to share some picture, I can just click on the pictures. I can select the picture from my device and I can show it. And the same way, we can also connect one more device also, like up to 4 devices can be connected at a time. So that also is possible. Just I can ask my colleague to connect one more device also. So I want to share it out. I can preview. Now I have shared one image file here, and one more device from my one more device. I have showing some other content here. Now, or I want to mirror it. I can just go back. I can mirror it. So the one more device option, they can also show some pictures from the device. So up to 4 devices can be connected at a time. So if I want to control from here, I can zoom in, zoom out can be done from here. I can also do the annotation. I want to do some annotation, say using the mark tool. I can select the mark tool. If I want to annotate and show some content, I can show it. Like suppose I want to choose some other color and I can want to annotate, I can do the annotation. If I want to save it, just again one click, I can save it. I can close it. Like this, we can connect our mobile device wirelessly, and even not only the mobile device, even a laptop also can be connected with this wirelessly. Okay. That option is also there. Whenever just I can disconnect from my options, stop sharing. So this is a small brief about our product, and we have Android and Windows operating system. For Android, it comes with Android 11, 4 GB RAM and 32 GB of built-in memory. And in Android, we have tools like we have whiteboard software, which is for writing and saving the files, and we have Finder to open any pen drive files. I can use my Finder, and there is a screen share where we can connect our mobile device to the panel wirelessly, and we have a browser for accessing any content from the browser. We can use the browser file. And other related like we have Play Store, and we can also install other application also. For this for Android, and we have an optional which is a built-in PC, which is called as OPS. OPS comes with the i5 processor with 8 GB RAM and 250 GB SSD. So if you want to have a Windows, we can have a built-in Windows also. And there are 3 different sizes available for this panel, which comes with 65 inches, 75 inches and 86 inches. And the warranty for this panel will be 3 years on-site warranty.